Hello friends, today in this video we will discuss about the Stitch, that is the platform provided by Google for the designing purpose. Stitch is very beautiful to design app web, and it is available in two modes, standard mode and experimental mode. In standard mode you get Figma support, in experimental mode you don't get the Figma support. We are late but not so late. This platform is launched 4 to 5 weeks earlier, but I noticed it now, so I tell you about these things. I give him the prompt, and it designs the website design. So there are 5 pages that Stitch has designed: the home section, about me section, skills and technologies, contact me section, and a project showcase section. So the designs are very beautiful, and you can refine it by changing your prompts and themes. I can now zoom it to it. I can tell you how these designs look. The designs, you can change, also change the theme, color theme of the designs. So zoom in. Here you can see the designs are very beautiful and clear cut. So here also you get the code of each page. These are the designs, 5 pages that is generated by Stitch now performing outstanding. So wait a minute second. Here you can check out the code section. Here you get the code of the page. You can directly copy it to your VS Code and build your website's front end. And you also get the Figma support in standard. Here I can copy it to Figma, and you have to copy it to Figma file. So this was the Stitch. Please check it out, and please hit the like, comment and subscribe button for further videos. Thank you guys.